Hi, this is Susan from Susan Newman Design, and we're at Mission 50 in Hoboken learning WordPress tips. Today we're going to learn how to install and collate a database table in WordPress.
We're on a site that's using WordPress for its content management system, and now we're going to learn how to install and collate a database table in WordPress. So you're going to go to your plugins and you're going to install Tiny MCE Advanced or Tiny Mice Advanced. And once you install that and activate it, then you're going to go to the settings and you'll see that it comes loaded with the first two rows, and you get to drag and drop whatever you want from the rest of these up into these empty slots here. So I've put in a couple of new ones, and one is this long one here that gives us all kinds of table capabilities. Then we go to a new page and you click on the icon to insert a table. You'll see that's right here, and you can put in whatever you want here. So you put in, I put in 3 columns, 2 rows. I want the cell padding and the cell spacing a little spacious. That means there's a little bit of pixel space around whatever the content is that would be in the table. And I'm going to center it. I'm going to give it a border of 2 pixels, and I'm going to make it 500 pixels wide and 500 pixels high. And then once I do that, I get this. Now on top of that, you can style the type, whatever font you might want from the font windows. You can also load a font icon over here. If we go back to the settings, you can see you can add font family also. And with all of these, you all you do is drag and drop. So if we put that up there, now font family is in there. So we go back here and you could change the font of this. You could change the color of the font. You could fill the background with a color. And once you save it as a draft, you can then click on preview and you can see how your new table looks. And there's the start of our new table. Now obviously it needs styling, but that's how you set up a table and change the font, change the color, and can put images in there too. You can set it up however you'd like.
I hope that tip was helpful. For more information, visit Susan Newman Design. Thank you.